Calm this morning, 77 degrees and a southeast wind around 5 miles per hour. Temperatures ranging about 10 degrees, 73 in Hebronville, 83, and a trio of that number, Rockport, Fulton, Port Aransas, and Flower Bluff at the Naval Air Station. Calm winds inland up to about 10 to 15 miles per hour at the coast. And we do still have a little bit of cloud coverage overhead, but overall today we are going to have sunny to partly cloudy skies, some active weather up in Oklahoma, but Texas is quiet here this morning. The feature that gave us the rain yesterday, you can see it easily on water vapor imagery, is now into Mexico. So with this being removed from the area, we're going to be able to also remove the rain chances from the forecast here today. Rain chances, though, will pop back up this weekend thanks to a not so common August cold front, albeit a weak front, but this is going to stall out near the I-10 corridor north of the KIII viewing area in Coastal Bend on Saturday, and then it'll retreat a little bit on Sunday. But both of those days, with that front being in the vicinity, the boundary will lead to some isolated shower activity down in the coastal bend. So that'll be something to watch into the weekend. And this is going to be thanks to a big dip or trough in the jet stream. And this is actually supported by the ENSO, the El Nino Southern Oscillation. This is El Nino versus La Nina. And if you remember, heading into this summer, we were talking about how we were going to be in a La Nina. That is happening. And when we have this, we tend to see a more amplified upper level wind pattern. So we'll get bigger ridges and bigger troughs pop up from time to time. And that also supports lower wind shear in the tropics and a more active tropical season. We have definitely seen that. We're not to August yet, and we're already at the I storm. This one, the pronunciation is going to get a lot of people, including me, but this is Isaias, ninth named storm of the tropical season, and this is going to track over Hispaniola today, then the Bahamas and Florida into the weekend. It's got 60-mile-per-hour winds with it, and it's moving to the northwest pretty quickly at 21 miles per hour. The forecast envelope here on the model guidance, now an easterly shift with this, a lot of them keeping it offshore from the Florida panhandle. The official cone also showing that easterly shift in its path as a tropical storm over the weekend up the eastern flank of Florida and then up the Outer Banks and the East Coast through the middle of next week. So that's the latest on Isaias. We're going to have drier weather today. We'll have highs in the mid-90s under a mix of sun and clouds, mid to upper 70s tonight, back into the 90s here tomorrow. Heat index today near 107 with a high of 93, mainly sunny, and a southeast wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, 77, partly cloudy, warm, and humid. Mid-90s into the weekend. Remember, Saturday and Sunday, we'll see at least a chance for a stray shower with that front stalling north of here, but it's not going to do anything to temperatures. Pretty close to seasonal normal in the mid-90s over the next 7 days.